Hi, I'm Kelsey Crenshaw. I'm here in Birmingham, Alabama, in my kitchen, and I'm going to make a cocktail for you. I've been bartending about 25 years, and I'm going to show you something pretty easy and tasty to make. We're going to start off with a mixing glass and some ice. You need something to be able to shake with, so 2 containers, one that fits over the top of the other one. Can be plastic. If you've got one of these, great. Get yourself a little simple syrup, equal parts sugar to water. Use hot water when you're mixing it up till it turns clear. Regular sugar, brown sugar, cane sugar, they all work, whatever you have on hand. You're going to use an ounce of this. Start with your least expensive ingredients first. Then we're going to put an ounce of lime juice. If you've got fresh limes to squeeze, great. If not, organic lime juice works really good. Make sure it's good and shooken up. I'm going to use an ounce of that. Wonder if you guys can guess what cocktail I'm making yet. And then you're going to need something kind of orange flavored to put in there. You can either use orange bitters or orange juice. If you're using the bitters, use about 6 drops or more, depending on your taste. Or my favorite, use triple sec. Bet you guys know what I'm making now. Going to use about a ½ ounce of this. So this cocktail was created in Texas in the 40s. A lady walked into a bar and asked for a daisy. And the bartender didn't know what that was, but he knew that daisy in Spanish was Margarita, so he came up with a new cocktail for her, and she loved it. It became a hit after that. So here's your Margarita. An ounce and a half of tequila. You're going to use whatever tequila you like. Silver, Reposado, Añejo, whatever fits your budget. And that's about an ounce and a half there. Then you're going to get to shaking. Make sure you got a nice seal when you do this. You're just trying to get the drink cold and add a little bit of water to the recipe there. It adds to the mix. You're going to want to see some bubbles starting to form in the liquid there. Once you see those, you're going to know that enough water and air has been added to the cocktail. Give it some shakes. If you like salt, get yourself a bowl. Fill it with kosher salt. Don't use anything else but kosher salt. Anything else is going to be too salty. The granules are just not coarse enough. Get yourself a lime wedge. Wipe it around the rim. If you don't have a fresh lime wedge, you can use a little bit of that sugar syrup around the edge. Then dip it in a bowl filled with your salt to the amount of salt you like on the edge of it in your fancy cocktail glass. Strain it out. And you should have a nice margarita. Let's see what we did here. Yep, that's a keeper. Good luck with it, guys. Take care.